Did you know that a simple mistake in your divorce paperwork can lead to months of delays? It's crucial to catch these errors early to keep your divorce process on track and avoid unnecessary stress. Understanding the types of errors that require amendments is key. Some mistakes are minor and easily fixed, while others, like incorrect property division, need more attention. Let's dive into how to identify and correct these errors. First, determine if your mistake is minor or major. Minor errors, such as typos, might only need a correction form. However, major changes, like altering child custody terms, require filing an amended petition, FL 100. If your spouse hasn't responded yet, you can amend freely. But if they have, you might need court approval. It's essential to know the difference to avoid unnecessary complications. To file an amended petition, fill out a new FL 100 and mark it as amended. Submit it to the court, pay any fees, and reserve your spouse if they haven't agreed to the changes. Remember, your original filing date remains unchanged, so the 6-month waiting period doesn't restart. If changes are contested, mediation or a court hearing might be necessary. By addressing errors promptly, you ensure a smoother divorce process. If you're unsure, consider seeking help from professionals like Divorce 661, who offer flat fee pricing and remote services to handle paperwork corrections. Visit divorce661.com for a free consultation. By correcting your forms accurately, you'll avoid delays and move forward with confidence. Let's ensure your divorce process is as seamless as possible.